So today we are going to install the add-on or the app on our website here for the MCP. So the first thing after we download the model here, you have all the files of the MCP server. So you have this folder and you have also this one here. So the first thing you have to upload this one to your website hosting. So here I have already prepared my website here. So this is the SSH connection. So I will upload the files here to the add-on folder of my Odoo here. This is the place. You have to find where your add-on is located. So this is the first here already. So I'm going just to drag the folder directly from here into my place. Okay, so I upload it here. It will take some time. And after we will upload this one here, what we'll do next is to restart the server. So here I'm already connected to my CSS server. So I'm going to click on here and I am here. I'm hosting on Gontabo. So I'm going just to paste here the command. It will be systeml restart Odoo, and I click enter. It will take some time, then it will restart the server. After that, I'm going just to refresh here my website. It will take a few seconds. Then I will go to look for the app. I click here on applications. Inside the app, I will remove the apps here and search for Odoo MCP. Click enter. Sorry, before we do this, I have to tell something. Before you do this step here, sorry, I forgot to tell you. You have to go to settings here. In the settings, you have to go to the bottom and activate the developer account. Sorry, this is a French, but it's the same thing like in English. Activate developer account. After activating the developer account, we come back here to the application. This is the icon of the applications. We click on it. Then we click here, update the list of application. You calculate 1, 2, 3, the third one. Update the application list. We click on it and we click update. It will take a few seconds. After that, we remove the apps from here and we search now. Then we click enter. And it should be, so here it is. After you click on the Odoo MCP here, you will find it. One thing you have to keep in mind is you have to define the path for your add-on. So here, if you see in my screen, this is the new path. If I go here and I put, for example, here cut to read my path, you see here at the bottom, this is where I put the add-on folder. So I did update the add-on in my config file. So you have to do that. Okay, so the first it's here, so I click activate. It will take some time. Okay, there is a problem here. Let me go and see what's going on with this problem here. So the issue here is related to my database. It's not related to extension here or to the application. So what I did is I went to CSH my server here. Then I did few permissions issues I have with Postgres and Odoo on the database. So After that, I will go just restart the server and you will go and refresh the browser. Search again. Remove the apps. Click activate. And let's wait a little bit and see. Sometimes you have to take care of the permissions of your database from Odoo. Okay, it seems that everything is good. So now if I go to the setting after the installation and I go to the left side, it should be here as you see, installed. You have to activate it. This is the first thing you have to do. After that, you have to go to the users. Here, users. This is the first thing you have to do. In the users here, you have to generate a token, an IPE token. So you have to go to the security. After that, I will generate here a key, but I will remove it later for the security purpose. This is you have to add your password to generate the key. Confirm your password. Then you have to name it. I will use this one with cloud. Then you have to specify duration time. I will use 1 day for now because I will remove this later. This is the key. I will remove it later. I just will put it somewhere where I can find it quickly. Okay, this one, the key, you are going to use it later. So it works now. So the next thing you have to do, you have to click here on users and companies and click on groups. Here you have to remove this one here, this filter, and you have to go to the bottom. You should find, shall we wait for a little bit? Let's see if we see MCP. Yes, you should find MCP here. So you have to give it to the sales here. Vente, it is in French, but it should be sales. Okay, then you have to click save. We go back again. We do it for the users also. Sales, we give it save. Perfect, everything is good. So the third option now, we will go back to the setting here and we click again on the add-on. We go to the bottom. We go to manage model access, and this is very important here where you can specify the permissions. We click new. We start now. So here you start by giving all the permissions. For example, sales orders. I want to go for sales orders. Then I will write, create, and maybe delete. And then we click new and we add the new thing here. So what else we need? We purchase order. We can go for also contact if we want to look for the contact here. So write, create, delete, etc. So here at the end you will see a full list of permissions you give to your agent like Cloud or any or OpenAI to access the database. So the database now is set up and everything is working. What you need to do is the next step for your OpenAI or Cloud. So what we need to do exactly. So the next step here, you come back to the folder where you download the files at the first time. You will find this Odoo Mcp server. So you have to go to your terminal. You have to open a terminal. Then you have to access that folder inside MCP server here, where this one is located. So if I click here, list, ls, or list, you should see the files inside here. So the first thing I will do, there is a command I have to do it here. So if you go back, you will find the command in the documentation. So you have to install dependencies. For me, I have them already. I installed them already, so I don't need to do that. So the next step here is to Also go with this one and install all the dependencies that we have. Okay, after that you go to and run the script. So I go and run here the script to see if it works. I have it already running in my server because I did this before, but in your case you have to respect this all the steps here. After running the scripts and everything is working fine, what you need to do is to come back now to your cloud MCP, to your cloud. So after you did that, you have to go to your cloud config file. So this is my config file. So you have to upload it here. You have to put your website here and the key from the one that was generated in Odoo, and here it should be your database name for Odoo. After that, when you go back to your Odoo and you start navigating, you start uh, let me go and do a small test. Okay, okay. So here, this is my Odoo after, this is my cloud after I did that. So I start by, I can list all the models like here, if I go back here, this orders or something like that. The application is installed on another website, but here it will start looking now, and here are the 20 most recent orders from the website, and it will give you here all the names, etc. So you can connect directly from cloud, and that's it. If you need any help or if you want us to install it for you, just contact us. You will find the link below in the description so we can help you and can install the model for you.